I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your Orange account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Orange website. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Devices. Once logged in, find the section labeled Devices on My Devices in the main menu. Click on it to see a list of all connected devices. Step 3. Select the device. From the list, locate the device you want to remove. Click on it to open the device details. Step 4. Remove the device. Look for an option that says Remove or Disconnect. Click it and confirm your choice when prompted. Be careful to select the correct device. Removing the wrong one can lead to connectivity issues. Step 5. Confirm removal. After removing the device, you should see a confirmation message. Double-check your device list to ensure it no longer appears. I hope this guide helps you easily manage your devices on Orange. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.